Have you ever had Brussels sprouts with blackberries? Because if you haven't, you're missing out. It's a fantastic combo. The bitterness of the Brussels sprouts, the sweetness of the blackberries go so well together. And I think sprouts are getting more trendy now. People are trying them out more and experimenting with them more. And they're just amazing. I literally have Brussels sprouts every night on my salad without fail, roasted. Beautiful. Anyway, this dish, cod with hummus and blackberries and sprouts. Even though this dish tastes absolutely amazing, it's all about the plating. It's all about how it looks. Because this dish is quick to make, I've tweaked it, I've simplified it. But if you plate it well, it looks like you've been slaving over this dish for like an hour, even though it's really quick to actually make. So give it a go. I'm really excited for you to try Brussels sprouts with blackberries because it's a fantastic combo. Anyway, guys, thanks, guys. To make the hummus, add chickpeas to a blender and blitz until they look like breadcrumbs, about 30 seconds. Add tahini, I'm using roasted garlic flavour, followed by cumin and smoked paprika. Add lemon juice for some tang and ice cold water. Now blitz until smooth. Season to taste, transfer to a bowl, add a drizzle of olive oil and place in the fridge. Brussels sprouts and blackberries work so well together. The bitterness of the sprouts and the sweetness of the berries just match perfectly. Next, finely sliced sprouts and shallots. You can use red onion, but I find shallots add a delicious sweetness to the sprouts. Add olive oil to a pan, followed by the shallots and sprouts. Now cook for about 3 minutes. Try not to overcook the sprouts, you still want them to have a little bite. Add blackberries, stir well. Add balsamic and cook for about 3 minutes. At the end, add a splash of lemon juice and season to taste. Next, season the cod fillets with just salt. Add to the pan and cook for about 3 minutes on each side. So there you have it, a quick, easy dish that looks and tastes so good. Thanks, guys.